This life can be a lot, and you get caught up